The whole solution includes a water meter, CIU, and the software. After filling in the basic information, start to top up. First, locate the water meter that has been added to the system by name. The water meter and other related information will be shown. You can top up according to cubic meters, or you can recharge according to the amount, and this time we recharge according to cubic meters. After clicking on vending, a 20-digit token will be generated, which will be entered through CIU and successfully loaded. After successful top-up, the valve opens. Functions of CIU: 00 remaining credit, 6 meter ID, 03 total meter. Pairing with CIU 12,030 plus ID plus, enter. If you accidentally charge the wrong amount, you can clear the amount already charged. Click on Clear Water Meter Credit. Enter water meter number for which you want to clear credit. Click Get Token. A 20-bit token is generated. The token is entered through CIU. The amount of recharge is cleared, and the valve is closed.